A Miele T7744C Condenser Dryer that keeps on getting the clean airway filters or some message like that and a red light, stops drying and the clothes are still very damp. Had a Miele technician replace a thermostat once but it didn't help. Cleaned all filters, condenser, even unscrewed a little panel at the back to look for fluff, but all quite clean. What now? Many thanks.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. My name is. I look forward to helping you. That error is displayed when the outlet sensor sees that the air temperature at the outlet is too high, usually indicating that there is a lack of airflow. If you are certain the airflow is not obstructed, either the outlet sensor is faulty or the control that interprets its signal has issues. Do you know what thermostat the Miele technician replaced?
Not really sure, as I'm asking on behalf of my daughter, and it was a while ago, but she thinks it was a sensor that the technician pointed to inside the drum of the dryer that he thought looked a bit worn. To check the airflow is not obstructed, is it sufficient to just remove the smaller white panel on the back left-hand side, or should I undo the whole back of the dryer? Only problem being, that has unusual looking screws, and I don't have a screwdriver to do it. The dryer is installed in a built-in laundry, so the grill at the back is fairly close to the wall, but we pulled it out and ran it just to see if it needed more air, but still same problem. And aren't all dryers up against a wall usually? Trying to think of anything that could cause the problem, it was an expensive dryer that's meant to last 20 years.
Does the error display right away or after the dryer has been running for a few minutes?
It shows up after a while. The dryer can run for say 30 minutes or more, then the little red light comes on next to clean out airways and the dryer will go on to the cooling down phase, then it stops. By the time you realize it has stopped and go and check, the clothes are sitting in there, half dry. Very annoying indeed with 3 little children in winter in NZ.
Thank you. It sounds like the interior of the cabinet is full of fluff that is impeding airflow. It needs to be totally disassembled and cleaned out inside. This will take a great deal of mechanical aptitude and some tools. If you are not very confident with a complete teardown, you may want to have this professionally done. It can be a fire hazard if built up excessively, so while being inconvenient, it is also important that it be done rather soon as a safety precaution.
Thanks for that. I wonder how that would have happened considering Miele are so expensive and supposedly well made. We could possibly undo the back, but as I say, the screws are unusual. Do you know where we could get a head to fit them?
They are a Torx screw, probably a T15 size. Over time, all dryers will eventually get fluff built up in them. They are not 100% sealed.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.